Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete archived stories on Instagram. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the lower right corner. Once you're in your profile, you will see a three lines icon on the upper right or top right corner. Head over there and here you'll find archive in your how you use Instagram section. Head over to archive. And these are the stories archive I'm currently seeing. So if I want to delete any of the stories, I will just tap on the three dots icon, go to settings, and as you can see in settings there is no option of deleting a specific story. So currently this option is not available in here in this Instagram version. So hopefully there will be an update soon so that you can just delete the archive stories. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.